using the CloudBees Quiet Start plugin. Normally, when CloudBees CI is restarted, it immediately tries to start scheduling jobs. If you are taking the server down for maintenance, you might not want that to happen immediately. By using the CloudBees Quiet Start plugin, you can reach that goal. Here's today's starting point. I have a CloudBees CI Operations Center and client controllers that are version 2.375.3.5. Let's go into our controller, and I have a job that's running right now that's called Quiet, and it's running right now every minute. Now, in order to use the Quiet Start plugin, you first have to install the plugin. So let's go into our client controller. We'll go to Manage Jenkins, Manage Plugins. And at this point, I've already installed the plugin. If we take a look at installed plugins and search for Quiet, you'll see CloudBees Quiet Start plugin. And at the time of recording, the version is 1.8. So let's go back over to our job. We'll click on our controller, go into Quiet. We can see that this job is running basically every minute. And if we take a look at the output of the job, all we're doing is doing a simple hello world. So let's go back over to our Manage Jenkins, and we'll see a section called Quiet Restart. This is the Quiet Start plugin. And by checking this box, what will happen is when the controller is restarted, none of the scheduling will start up on this controller. So I'm going to go ahead and check this box. Now that we've set this checkbox, let's go ahead and restart this controller. We can see that Quiet has still been running. In fact, let's go in and check one more time. We can see the last time it was run was at 3:16. Let's go ahead and restart this controller. So we say /restart. Now that the controller is restarted, notice what happened. We have a banner set up here that Jenkins is going to shut down. We did not go in and set that up. Because the checkbox for Quiet Restart or Quiet Start is checked, it automatically created for us this Jenkins is going to shut down banner, which if you take a look at it, you can see in the build queue, Jenkins is going to shut down, no further builds will be performed. That could be manually set up by taking a look at Update Shutdown Preparation because it automatically created the Prepare for Shutdown for us. So if we go back into our job, let's take a look at Quiet. What we'll see here is that it's pending and is about to shut down. This is because we checked the checkbox for Quiet Restart. When the controller restarted, normally, without that checkbox being checked, the controller would have automatically started rescheduling jobs. But in this case, since that checkbox is checked, the controller stays in shutdown mode. Let's go ahead and go back over into our Manage Jenkins. We'll go back into Quiet Restart. Let's go ahead and uncheck this box. By unchecking the box, that's sort of like saying, okay, great, we're finished with our maintenance, and now we're ready to go ahead and start going from this point forward. We can go ahead and click on Cancel under Build Queue, and then at this point, the jobs will start running again as expected. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach out to us on Twitter at CloudBees. If this video was helpful to you, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to CloudBees TV yet, why not? Take a moment, click on the subscribe button, and ring that bell, and you'll be notified anytime there's new content available on CloudBees TV. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.